Good morning, students. How are you all? Okay, students. Today we are going to see 4th standard term 2 social science. Today is what day? Today is Monday. Yes, date is 17/01/2022. Okay, students. Today social science subjects we will see. Okay, those who are not having a book, come and get your book and pay your amount of second term. Let me enter into the lesson. Students, we already see the which lesson? Philanthropist of Sangam age. No, we continue the lessons today. Okay, students, today what homework will given yesterday? Try to answer these questions and try to answer these 3 questions, right? Yes, students, some of them are not sending the homework. So students, all of you send the homework regularly. Some of the good students are send homework regularly. They are appreciated. Very good. Very good students. Today also we continue the lesson. Let we see the lesson. Okay, next philanthropist name called Adiyaman. Next philanthropist name called Adiyaman. There was another philanthropist called Adiyaman. He also ruled hilly region Tagadur in Dharmapuri district. One day he was presented with a very rare type of gooseberry. He was told that anyone who ate that rare fruit would be immortal. Do you know what did he do? He offered the fruit to an old Tamil poetess Avvayar. Okay, students, his grandpa tell the another story of philanthropist. This called as Adiyaman. He ruled the which hilly area? Hilly area means what? Means Tagadur. Okay, Tagadur in Dharmapuri district. One day he has a rare type of gooseberry. Gooseberry means nellikai. Okay, nellikani. He has that rare type of gooseberry, and he told that anyone is ate that they would be a immortal one. Immortal means what? அது சாகாத வரம் பெறுறதுன்னு அர்த்தம். ஓகேவா? சாகாமல் இருக்கலாம் அந்த நெல்லிக்கனியை சாப்பிட்டா. Do you know what did he do? But he had a gooseberry with him. But he do what? He offered the fruit with Tamil poetess. What? Avvayar. He offered the fruit to whom? Tamil poetess. Avvayar. You know Avvayar? No. This is a old lady and he is a Tamil poetess who sing a song. Okay, Aram Saya Virumbu you learn in KGs and first standards. No. That time she only what? Write these type of poems. Okay. So the Adiyaman offer the fruit to whom? Avvayar. But we do like that? No, we have that kind of fruit means what? We only ate. No, some of them are ate, some of them are given to others. Okay, the some Avvayar, the same Avvayar, I read about her in my Tamil textbook. Okay, this girl will tell, I also read the Tamil poetess Avvayar, about Avvayar in my Tamil textbook, she said. Then grandpa said, yes Geeta, Avvayar was shocked and asked Adiyaman why he was offering her the gooseberry. She said that he should eat this fruit as he was the chieftain. Adiyaman told her that there would be many chieftains after him, but there would not be many poets to teach people how to live life better like her. Here the grandpa said, yes Geeta, Avvayar was very shocked to offer the rare fruit from Adiyaman to Avvayar. Then Avvayar asked him, why you could given to the fruit to me? Okay, you eat only, no, because you are the chieftain, because you are the great king. You eat means what? The people are so what? So protected and so sophisticated. No, why you didn't eat that? Why you bring to me? And that all Avvayar asked the Adiyaman. Then Adiyaman told what? There are many chieftains after myself, but no one came to after the poetess like you. You are the better one to write Tamil poems. Okay, you would grow the Tamil poems and all. He said, "Can you imagine a powerful chieftain offering such a valuable gift to the old poetess?" Okay, he is a great king, but he didn't eat the fruit of gooseberry, so he offered the valuable gift to whom? Avvaya, the old poetess. Okay, this shows the how people valued each other in Sangam age. This shows what the Sangam age will the super one is the okay valuable period of a king's age. Okay, don't you agree? He asked to granddaughter, and his granddaughter said, "Yes, grandpa, we should always value people around us." What she said? We also what? We around the people, and you we also what? Pay value, and we cheer up to the kindness and lovable to care of them. Okay, then the try to answers these three questions are also you could answer tomorrow, and the list the things given by these philanthropists. First one, Pari what give, and pagan what give, Adyaman what give the others. Okay, you should write in your rough note. Okay, these answers are you write in a rough note. Next philanthropist we could see in page number 101, Valbil Uri. Next the grandpa tell the Valbil Uri story. Let me tell you a story of one of the chieftain Valbil Uri, who ruled a hilly region in Kolli Hills, Namakkal district. He ruled the Kolli Hills, Kollimalai, you know, no? That is in Namakkal district. Then she asked, does the will in his name mean bow? She asked, will means bow, no. Okay, அதனால் இவங்க கேட்குறாங்க, will means bow or not? Then grandpa said, how smart you are. Yes, it is. Wall means powerful and will means bow. Okay, he got his name as was an expert archer. இவர் என்னது, அந்த வில் அம்பு எழுகிறதுல இவர் சிறந்தவர். அதனால தான் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, இவளுக்கு வல்வில் ஊரி அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. வால்னா என்ன, பவர்ஃபுல். வில் மீன்ஸ் பவு. ஓகே, ஸோ ஹிஸ் நேம் இஸ் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஆர்ச்சர். நல்ல அம்பு எய்கிறதுல சிறந்தவர் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. அமேசிங். வாட் டிட் ஹீ டூ ஃபார் த பீப்புள்? என்ன அவர் செஞ்சார் பீப்புளுக்கு? தென் த granddaughter asked him. Ori was not only known for his skill in archery. Ori was what? Not only known the skill of archery, not only, but also hailed the kind ruler. He was also what? Kind ruler. He used the reward boss, musicians, dancers, and other artisans for their skills. He also given the gifts and other things are to the dancers, musician, artists. He also the praises the okay literature and what, and artistic works. Okay, grandpa, I like Valbil Uri. What about the other three philanthropists? Okay, grandpa, I like Valbil Uri. What about the three philanthropists? Tell me. Next one, Nedumudi Kari. Next philanthropist name what? Nedumudi Kari. I also ruled a hilly region in the Podigai Hills. I is one of the philanthropists. He ruled the what? Podigai Malai. Okay, Podigai Hills. So, south of Madurai. It was located where? South of Madurai. Next one, Nedumudi Kari ruled the Tondai Mandalam at Tirukovilur. It was located at Nedumudi Kari were ruled at which location? Tirukovilur, Tondai Mandalam. Okay. Nalli ruled the region of Tottimalai under the king Cheran. He ruled the Tottimalai under king of Cheran. Okay, they were all known for their kindness. They all three of them are known for as what? Their kindness. Underline the word kindness. That's why even after so many years they are still fondly remembered by us. So only we are also remember the king of 7 philanthropists. Okay, then only the kindness will help to remember us. Okay, then granddaughter said, thank you for the interesting stories, grandpa. I will share these with all my friends. We also share, no, because we have all things, all stories means we share with our friends, no. Likewise she said. Okay, this is the match the following. These also homework for tomorrow. Okay, you study Pari kinds of what? Pagan kinds of what? Adyaman kinds of what? Valbil Uri what doing? And all and also page number 103 and try to answer these two questions. Okay, there are two questions are there. You try this answer and also this up to your homework. Okay, next class we would see the list of the name of 7 philanthropists and their regions. This also I already thought I'll teach. Try to answer. Okay, next glossary. We could see glossary now. Sangam age. Sangam age. A period in the history of Asian Tamil Nadu. Philanthropist. Philanthropist. A person who seeks to promote the welfare of others. A person who seeks to promote the welfare of others. Steep hill, a very tall hill, a very tall hill. Immortal, immortal, living forever, living forever. Baths, a poet, baths, a poet. Artisan, a worker in a skilled profession, a worker in a skilled profession. As students, we could startly see the recap. What are the content are seen in the lesson? We could see in fast. Okay. There are many philanthropists in Sangam age. 7 of them were famous. There are many philanthropists in Sangam age, but 7 are there what? More famous. Okay. The Moovendars were the Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas. Who are the Moovendars? Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas. Philanthropists were known for their kindness towards the people and nature. Philanthropists were known for what and what? Kindness to the people and the nature. The 7 philanthropists name what? You already know? Lightly we see. Okay. Pagan, Pari, Nedumudikari, I, Adiyaman, Nalli and Valviluri. These are the 7 philanthropists who know and notable one in the Sangam age. Okay students, this is a lesson will finished today. You all should write a homework of try to answers in each section. Okay students, you also try to answer the questions and send the what? WhatsApp, and send the through WhatsApp image. Take a picture and send the WhatsApp image. Those who are not having book, come and get a book from school. So students, you study well. Thank you. Have a nice day.